So first off, I'm going to show you our ingredients, which is only a few things. A box of instant vanilla pudding, some Nilla wafers, any type of whipped cream that you'd like. I'm using Ready Whip today. Some milk. It can be whole milk or 2%. And then the star of the show, which would be our bananas. So we're going to take a pan and line them with Nilla wafers, and then we're going to make our pudding, which is just the milk and the pudding, and we're going to whisk that together until it starts to thicken. Then we're going to slice our bananas about 1/4 of an inch thin and top our cookies with those bananas. Next, we're going to take our whipped cream and kind of whip that into our pudding, which is going to make the pudding a little bit more creamy. Then we're going to take our pudding and just pour it on top of those cookies and bananas. So we have a layer of cookies, then bananas, then pudding. And then we're going to start it over again with the cookies, then the bananas, and then the pudding. You just repeat the process until your last layer will be cookies. Make sure though when you're doing it, you spread your pudding out evenly. See? And after putting it in the refrigerator, letting it chill, it's done. And when you're ready to eat, just grab a big spoonful and enjoy. See? And after putting it in the refrigerator, letting it chill, it's done. And when you're ready to eat, just grab a big spoonful and enjoy.